How to avoid runtime error? Dictionary changed size during iteration error. I have checked all of the other questions with the same error yet found no helpful solution =/ I have a dictionary of lists in which some of the values are empty. At the end of creating these lists, I want to remove these empty lists before returning my dictionary. Currently I am attempting to do this as follows. However, this is giving me the runtime error. I am aware that you cannot add/remove elements in a dictionary while iterating through it. What would be a way around this then? See modifying a Python dict while iterating over it for citations that this can cause problems, and why.
In Python 3.x and 2.x you can use useList to force a copy of the keys to be made. In Python 2.x calling keys made a copy of the keys that you could iterate over while modifying the dict. But note that in Python 3.x this second method doesn't help with your error because keys returns a view object instead of copying the keys into a list.
You only need to use copy. This way you iterate over the original dictionary fields and on the fly can change the desired dict D. It works on each Python version, so it's more clear. VTW generally to iterate over copy of your data structure, instead of using .copy for dictionaries or slicing column for lists. You can use import copy, copy.copy, for shallow copy which is equivalent to copy that is supported by dictionaries or slicing column that is supported by lists, or copy.deep copy on your data structure.
Just use dictionary comprehension to copy the relevant items into a new dict. For this in Python 2.
This worked for me. Casting the dictionary items to list creates a list of its items, so you can iterate over it and avoid the runtime error.
If you'd like to say more, please consider subscribing.